Micro-Coaxial technology is experts in many kinds of cable assembly and wiring harness manufacture, especially in fine-pitch micro cable assembly and wiring harness. We produce and customized fine micro-coaxial cable assembly, EDP cable, LVDS cable, IPEX cable, MOLEX cable, display cables, LCD panel cable, LED screen cable, RF antenna cable, high-definition camera cable, which are widely used for LCD screen, notebook panel, automotive systems, industrial camera, laptop, tablet, PC, intelligent household appliances, machine vision, digital video camera, televisions, medical instrumentation, aircraft cockpit instrumentation, smart appliances, flight control systems, unmanned aerial vehicle, automobile instrumentation, industrial control equipment, oil field. Exercise equipment, educational electronics, test equipment, and communication.